Hello, V-MODA headphone user. Today I will show you how to easily remove and replace old, damaged or dirty earpad cushions on these V-MODA M-100 headphones. This guide will also be useful for Crossfade Wireless, M-100, LP, LP2 on Crossfade 2 or Crossfade 3. At the end of the video I'll show you what these headphones look like on the inside. This can be useful for more repairs. The earpad cushions of these headphones can be removed by pulling the earpad itself off and pushing on the middle side at the same time. The earpads are held to the body of the headphones by these 16 plastic hooks which hook into the edge of the earpad cushions. New replacement earpads for these V-MODA headphones can be found on the web. Links to them are in the video description. Install the new earpads is very simply. First put the top part in the top, then push the edge of the earpad behind the plastic hooks with your thumbnail. This is easier if you have longer nails. If you have cut them off, look for a tool or wait until the nails grow longer. This way you need to go around the entire earpad, and make sure that the earpad cushion is hooked behind all the hooks. That's it. It's a simple way to restore your V-MODA M100 headphones. To open the housing of the headphones, you need to remove the earpad, then unscrew all the screws and take off the top housing part. Here you will find the inside of the headphones, some wires, the speaker driver and the 3.5mm socket. In fact, these headphones are quite simple in design and can be repaired quite easily. As always, I'd appreciate if you hit that like button and let me know in the comments how long your headphones last on average before they break. Thanks and good luck.